The Mula-Mutha pollution abatement project in Pune will be funded through a loan of Rs 1,470 crore from Japan International Corporation Agency JICA India office. According to JICA, the project has been awarded to a joint venture between Indian company Envirocontrol and Japanese company Toshiba Water Solutions. The procurement package awarded was for 11 sewage treatment plants with 396 million liters per day treatment capacity, intermediate pump stations and sewers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of this project on Sunday in Pune along with Suzuki Satoshi, Japan Ambassador to India, and Muralidhar Mahal, Mayor of City of Pune. In his address, Ambassador Suzuki said that Pune is one such place where the Indo-Japan friendship is showcased. At present, 193 Japanese companies are established in Pune and about one-third of them are head offices of the Indian businesses. Environmental pollution in Pune city, state of Maharashtra is being caused by dumping of untreated sewage into River Mula, River Mutha and River Mula-Mutha due to the limited capacity of sewage treatment. This adversely affects the health and living conditions of not only citizens of Pune but also the people living downstream of these rivers. The year 2022 marks the 75th anniversary of independence of India as well as 70th anniversary of establishment of India-Japan diplomatic relations. We wish the project all the best and let's hope for more collaborations in effort to build a healthier and cleaner India and the world as well.